Yesterday, 1999. Today, 2019. 20 years BP home investment. The living of yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Where were we yesterday? In 1999, BP Home was founded by two brothers Plana, and like every great journey, it started with a small step. Residential projects like Yanina reflected that beginning better than anything else. NIC Residential Neighborhood was a giant leap at that time when we presented it as a project in Kosovo, pioneering a community-based neighborhood with standardized and common design concept, something very new for the Kosovo market at that time. Neighborhood Home was built to research a new modern architecture and design. It was used as an innovative project to prepare the ground and foundation of the company for larger-scale projects in the future. Home 1 and Home 2 high-rise residential projects at the center of Capital City kept our energetic spirit on the go. We utilized global brands and innovative materials like ventilated facades, high-speed elevators, and other eco-solutions. As we continued, we expanded our vision from BP Home into BP Home Investment Group and diversified our mission with other like-minded shareholders. Such was the case with a PAIR project, a mixed-use building built with residential and commercial spaces. Next, we moved into Apple, another high-rise residential building. As the name goes, it reflected our ambition to establish BP Home Investment as a brand that holds sustainability as its core value, in mind with design, in heart with passion, and in hands by execution. Cherry Neighborhood, 130 houses constructed and finished swiftly within 23 months. Cherry came on top of the cake, not just as a sweet dessert, but also as a sustainable and smart taste of living. A close-gated community with eco-green environment, connected, and set up for a digital lifestyle. It integrated smart application to manage and control your house while using a custom-built maintenance app to keep your home as it is, clean, smooth, and safe. Where are we today? Today, we are welcoming you at a Big Cherry, an extension of Cherry Neighborhood. Besides that, it gets the best from its existing community. It also adds the best to it. From an architectonical and technology perspective, we give you a new architectural design with a modern look, with state-of-the-art insulation, breathable facades, and self-sustainable house with high-efficiency thermopumps, sunshine-friendly welcoming windows, and much more. The only thing that is certain in life is change. So, we keep changing, keep advancing. Today, the Insta-Built Factory is the largest facility under one roof dedicated to off-site construction. It was built from scratch within 1 year, with the capacity to produce and export from 1,200 up to 4,000 houses per year. With its latest cutting-edge technology and production line, we have teamed up with experience to meet a global demand for construction and housing. What about tomorrow? As we look toward the future, we can hear the facts telling us a very important story. Population will increase, and with economic progress, the demand for housing will grow drastically. Within the next 40 years, another planet should be built on top of the existing one, if we look at it from a construction perspective. Unfortunately, the traditional way of building with brick and concrete is too slow to meet the demand, and it releases 47% of total CO2 in the atmosphere, which contributes to global warming. These are the two biggest problems that we are facing as global citizens. As a solution, BP Home Investment Group has established an international strategy to address these global challenges. First, with InstaBuilt Factory, we will produce much faster, offer more reasonable cost, and provide much more sustainable houses of the future. Most importantly, these houses will utilize wood to conserve CO2, and not the opposite. Second, cloud-based solutions such as fingermarket.com will allow investors to participate in crowd-funded projects and be active members in shared economy and the infrastructure of real estate as a service. When you think about the future, you must also think about robotics, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Advanced production lines with increased precision technology, efficiency, and standardization will allow us to scale faster, offer more affordable prices, and maintain the required quality for global markets. Future communities will be self-sustainable houses that will harness solar, wind, thermal, and hydro energy. Their smart and digital homes will become Zero Energy Plus homes. Future homeowners will live their life on the go, and mobility will be their priority, since they will move from one location to another location more than ever. We as real estate investors must prepare the infrastructure of the future for sharing services, so house owners will easily share electricity, cars, living spaces, and even their local farms. BP Home Investment makes it easier to live, own, and invest in real estate through InstaBuilt Off-Site Construction Factory and FingerMarket online platform. Therefore, with built-to-sell and built-to-rent communities, we will enable them to use, share, and reinvest in their own assets, such as energy and space, by utilizing real estate as a service infrastructures and solutions. Join us. Together, we can build communities of the future. The power of difference.